Did you know that just a tablespoon of chia seeds can dramatically improve your health in more ways than you might think? These small, unassuming black and white seeds are packed with incredible nutritional benefits, earning their title as one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Whether it's enhancing digestion, boosting energy, or supporting heart health, chia seeds truly deserve the superfood label. In this video, we'll explore 10 surprising things that happen to your body when you eat just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds daily. But before you start adding them to your routine, remember to check with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any dietary restrictions or medical conditions. And make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll share a delicious and simple recipe to make incorporating chia seeds into your diet even easier. Let's dive in. 1. Improves digestive health. Chia seeds are a powerhouse for digestive health. A single tablespoon of chia seeds is loaded with soluble fiber, which, when mixed with water, forms a gel-like substance. This gel helps regulate digestion by moving slowly through your system, creating a soothing effect on your gut lining. It ensures that food is broken down properly and nutrients are absorbed more effectively. This process promotes consistency and ease for anyone dealing with irregular bowel movements. Plus, chia seeds contain mucilage, a plant compound that acts like a natural cleanser for your intestines, helping to remove waste and toxins. It's like a gentle scrub for your digestive system. A study published by Science Direct found that chia mucilage can promote beneficial gut bacteria and enhance gastrointestinal health. 2. Supports cardiovascular function. Chia seeds are a great ally for heart health. Just 1 tablespoon provides a good dose of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in your body. Potassium helps relax your blood vessels, reducing strain on your heart and improving circulation. Chia seeds also contain magnesium, which plays a critical role in maintaining a steady heart rhythm. Magnesium helps prevent irregular heartbeats and works with potassium to prevent calcification in the arteries. In a study published on PubMed, people with type 2 diabetes who consumed chia seeds daily experienced a significant decrease in systolic blood pressure, supporting their role in promoting cardiovascular health. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are excellent for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The gel-like substance formed when chia seeds absorb liquid helps slow the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. This slow release of glucose into the bloodstream can help prevent insulin surges, which are often followed by energy crashes. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that supports insulin function and helps your body maintain healthy glucose metabolism. A study published on ResearchGate found that chia seeds can improve blood glucose levels, lipid profiles, and liver function in diabetic rats. 4. Boosts bone density. Chia seeds are an excellent source of phosphorus, a mineral essential for bone strength and mineralization. Phosphorus works alongside calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Without enough phosphorus, bones can become brittle, even with adequate calcium intake. Chia seeds also provide boron, a trace mineral that helps your body metabolize calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D nutrients crucial for bone density. Furthermore, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that protect bones from deterioration caused by chronic inflammation. A 13-month study published on PubMed showed that a diet with chia seeds significantly improved bone mineral content and density. 5. Enhances skin hydration and elasticity. Chia seeds are packed with polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-6 fatty acids like linoleic acid, which help maintain your skin's natural barrier. This barrier locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. A deficiency in linoleic acid can lead to dry, flaky skin with reduced elasticity. Chia seeds are also a great source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radical damage, which can break down collagen and elastin. Chia seeds also contain hydrophilic polysaccharides that bind water, supporting skin hydration from the inside out. A PubMed study found that chia seed peptides effectively inhibited enzymes linked to skin aging, further protecting your skin's elasticity. 6. Supports weight management. Chia seeds help manage weight naturally without restrictive dieting. The insoluble fiber in chia seeds expands in your stomach, creating a sensation of fullness that helps reduce calorie intake. Unlike quick digesting foods, the fiber in chia seeds ensures slower, more sustained digestion, keeping hunger at bay for longer. Chia seeds are also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps regulate appetite by influencing serotonin production. This can help you feel satisfied and less likely to crave unhealthy snacks. Additionally, chia seeds contain manganese, which supports the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates into usable energy, helping to regulate your metabolism. A 6-month study published on PubMed found that participants who consumed chia seeds daily, alongside a reduced calorie diet, achieved greater weight loss compared to those who did not. 7. Boosts energy and endurance. Used by Aztec warriors and long-distance runners, chia seeds provide long-lasting energy. A tablespoon of chia seeds delivers slow-digesting carbohydrates, which ensure a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream, providing sustained energy without the crash that comes from quick sugars. Chia seeds also contain thiamine, vitamin bone, essential for converting food into energy, especially during endurance activities. The potassium in chia seeds also helps maintain muscle function and prevent cramps, ensuring you perform at your best during physical exertion. 8. Promotes brain health. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is essential for maintaining brain cell structure and function. ALA helps preserve brain fluidity and supports communication between neurons, enhancing cognitive performance. Chia seeds are also a rich source of iron, which is vital for brain function by aiding oxygen delivery to brain cells. With sufficient oxygen, your brain can process information efficiently and remain sharp. Chia seeds also contain quercetin, an antioxidant that protects the brain from oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Chia seed pudding recipe. Making chia seed pudding is an easy and delicious way to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy like almond, coconut, or oat milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons sweetener, optional, honey, maple syrup, or agave, teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Toppings: fresh fruits, berries, banana slices, nuts, granola, shredded coconut, or nut butter. Instructions: 1. In a bowl or jar, combine chia seeds, milk, sweetener if using, and vanilla extract. Stir well to ensure the seeds are evenly distributed. 2. Cover the mixture and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. 3. After chilling, stir the pudding to ensure a smooth consistency. If it's too thick, you can add a bit more milk to achieve your desired texture. 4. Top with your favorite toppings and enjoy. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're giving your body a boost of essential nutrients that can improve your digestion, heart health, energy levels, and more. Try it out today and feel the difference.